If you want to learn your dream job in data in 2025, LinkedIn is not optional. It's your biggest advantage if you know how to use it properly. I've been helping a friend recently. She's an analyst, lives in Italy, and wanted to move to Spain. She had a solid background, but she was struggling to get interviews through job boards. So I helped her rework her LinkedIn strategy, and we focus on one thing only: people with something in common to her. She sent 30 targeted messages to people who had something in common with her: Italians working in Spain, other analysts in similar industries, recruiters with a clear data focus. And you know what? 2 interviews from the first 30 messages she sent in just 30 minutes. That's how powerful LinkedIn can be, if you can use it like a networking tool instead of a CV parking lot. I'm Tommaso, I work in data recruitment, and every day I talk to people who land jobs without ever applying to public job ads. This video will show you how to do it in 2025, so let's do the same. Let's start with the fact. Now, over 90% of recruiters use LinkedIn, if not 100%, to find talent. But here's the twist. Most people on LinkedIn are invisible, and their profile is just CV copy and paste, and they barely network. They only apply to jobs through Indeed, Reed, or even LinkedIn, and that's not how it works anymore. Everybody does that. If you want to land interviews, offers, and access to the hidden job market, that's what works right now. Number 1, a sharp strategic profile. Number 2, targeted networking with people who have something in common with you. Number 3, smart job search plus follow-ups. And number 4, visibility through small but consistent content creation. Let's break those down quickly. So, your profile needs to say exactly what you do and for who. If the headline says data analyst or open to work or whatever it is, you're blending in with another 10,000 people. Instead, write something like SQL and GA4 analyst, experience in retail and e-commerce, turning data into actionable insight. Or data analyst at Coca-Cola. Immediately clear, immediately credible. Your summary, that's your pitch. Use the first 2 or 3 lines to explain your impact. I help e-commerce brands through data. I've built dashboards that cut reporting time by 40% and helped optimize £2 million in marketing spend. Forget fluff, forget typical words that everybody puts. Just show results. And now there's the fun part, networking. Back to my friend, the reason she got interviews wasn't just because her profile looked great, it's because she reached out to the right people in the right way. When you message somebody on LinkedIn, start with what you have in common. Are they from your country? Did they go to your same university? Do they work at a company you admire? Use the connection to break the ice. Don't sell anything straight away. Write something like, hey, I saw you also studied in Milan and made the move to Barcelona. I'd love to hear how you found the transition. I'm a data analyst looking to do something similar. That's human. That gets replies. Then don't rush to ask. Engage with their content. Say thanks if they reply. Only then, if that makes sense, ask for advice. Or if they'll be open to a quick chat, even better. This approach is 10 times more effective than cold applying. Now let's talk job search. Don't just search for data analyst. Instead, search for the tool you use. SQL, Python, Power BI, GA4, dbt using a Boolean search. You should know what it is. You'll uncover roles with different titles, but with those skills. When you do apply, always follow up. Go to the company's page, find somebody relevant, hiring manager, recruiter, peer, somebody that has something in common with you, and send a message like, hello Alex, I just applied for the data analyst role in your team. I worked on a very similar project using GA4 and SQL in e-commerce. Would love to connect and introduce myself properly if you're open to it. Short, focused, and relevant. Now let's talk about visibility. You don't need to go viral. Just post once a week. Share what you're learning, share what your ideas are, your opinions, what tools you're exploring, or a recent win at work. For example, just automated a weekly report using Python, cutting process time from 1 hour to 10 minutes. Small win, but proud of it. Let me know if you have any similar example. This builds your brand. People will start seeing you as somebody active, curious, and serious about data. And that's when inbound messages start to arrive from anybody, recruiters, people who are curious to do the same career as you, anybody. So here's the game plan for this week. Update your headline and summary with keywords and value. Connect with 15 people in your target industry or location. Send 5 tailored messages based on something you have in common with them, and then apply to 3 roles and follow up with somebody from the team. And create 1 LinkedIn post about something you worked on or you learned recently. This strategy works, 100%. It worked for my friend, it works for me, it works for candidates I speak to every day. LinkedIn is not magic, but it's the most powerful platform for job seekers in 2025 if used properly. Use it like a human, be proactive, show what you know, connect with the right people, and if you landed a job through LinkedIn or you tried something similar and it works, just drop a comment. I'd love to hear your story. And make sure that you stick around. I've got a lot of other videos that are coming out, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video.